We got a whole box of Green Lanterns here. Right? So, let's do this. So, the emeralds, 1, 4, TC logos. There we go. That's the one. I've been, ooh. Right. Over here. Boom. There's some baddies. Right. Darkest Night. That goes right into here. All that Darkest Night is right there, huh? Oh, that's still a corpse. We go start off at number fucking 46. We need that 13, dude. It's 46. We're going good. Cover detached, okay. Signed, Neil Adams. This is one of my first books. This is the clean fucking 9.0. And then we go to the little fuzzy covers. So this is where the majority of the collection starts now. Right. It's differentiating the bag. Right. So right here, I got that old school bag here. So we gotta rebag these. I'm gonna throw them in the box first, and then I'm gonna rebag, go to the box for the rebag. Right. So it's kind of, like I said, I paid. These are not all from the collection I got. I got these from randomly as well. Like, I think this came out of a random dude. I've been wanting to get a whole box of just Green Lanterns for a while. Like this guy. This guy's to get rebagged. This is not part. Some of these I had to fill in the holes. Boom. Right. This is my favorite cover. I actually forgot. I actually went out and got this at Golden Apple. Right. Why? I think this is like gonna be like a big scene for the show. My speculation. Right. And that's the bitchin' ass cut right there. Right? And where does that lead us? That leads us right to here. Right? The magic. Right? Like you don't think I was gonna buy 3 fucking covers and then fucking kissing? Like you think I wasn't? Yeah. I'm gonna put that in there a little more. It's just looking good. Now, this is where my Green Lantern ends. And I got a shitload of Green Lantern to fill in there, right? Green Lantern Special. Okay. I got a shitload of Green Lantern to toss in there, right? So I can actually go ahead, put these arrows back. Throw the canary. See, you gotta bag them and sort them. That leaves enough room to put these backers in there. Oh, check this out. Fuck off, Guido. Thank you, John. Thank you. Mr. Torpedo himself telling me to fuck off. That's what I want to hear. He's like, fuck off. So, this morning shit, either I can start bagging, or call it good for the moment. Canary, Legends, Shazam, Hawkworld, Blue Beetle, Hawk and Dove, Manhunt Mask, Lobo, Animal Man, Blue, Preacher, Static, Black Huffy, Ambush Bug, Tarzan. Okay. We're gonna sort shit out. We're gonna move things around. That's all fucking Venom, Spider-Punk, alright, Green Goblin, shit. That's a whole fucking lift up there. Little Bats. I might go absolute Superman in here. Look, fucking zigzags. Is that where I keep my roaches back in the day? And my fucking, oh, I get it. I kept my weed in my Green Lantern box, right? Oh, that's enough information. But let's just look at this. Let's just check this out here. This is why things are always looking good. You got one here. Dude. That's a little dark. That's really paley, and that's a fucking nice. Look at the orange. Look at the orange on this one compared to the other two. Now, I bought a Spider-Man from Steve. It says boom, and it was very prevalent. Like, he's all, look at that red on the Spider-Man. Look at that red. Captain, that red. And there's that fucking the truth to it, man. She's right here. The truth is shown where this could be a 9.6, but the fucking orange, this is going to make it. Or maybe it's just a print from the newsstand. This thing's fucking awesome. Just gonna give you that fucking awesome, right? And then we're gonna throw you some Lobos. Woo, mask, baby. 4-0, take it. Just take the fucking mask. I got some Lobos to put away here. And I just want to show you that that Blue Beetle, how, I mean, really, you can tell even on here the difference. If that, I need to go find another newsstand to really make a true comparison here. Do some scientific deduction. All right. With that said, we'll give you all the goodbyes. I gotta find a place for my Sonics. My Sonics is all just been removed from its home. Okay, we're in a good start. Green Lanterns are here. And we're gonna go figure this out. Wonder Woman's all in a new box. That's us. Figure it out. We'll make it happen. We're gonna move some shit around. Get some of this other stuff. Oh, what's in here? I think I want to move all my Justice League in here. I don't know. Maybe my Flash. My Flash never felt right being so close to Teen Titans. My Flash didn't feel good. So let's just grab the Flash out right now. Swamp Things. Right? Flashies. I love that. He's just beat up. All right, let's keep going with the Flash. Swamp Thing, Flash. We go right back into the Flashers. I really wanted a good cover. Vandal Savage is probably my favorite villain. That'd be cool to see him in the Batman movie, just for the sake of just having fucking random people there. I think Batman movie is going to be random people. I think, to me, you ask me what's going to be happening in Batman, I'm going to tell you. I don't think, and probably people be like, I usually come up with some fucking stuff that people hate. Right? And so, what I see is that his dad, Bruce Wayne's dad, is the head of Court of Owls. Right? Dude, look at that fucking view, right? Flash 205. Dude, like, I've got it. The only ones I really want are the, 247, the end. The Rebirth, dude. I like the Rebirth. These covers were on point. Story was cool as shit. Look at that beautiful fucking cover. Boom. Then he goes to 780. Then I lost it. So now I feel kind of comfortable, like Flash, Green Arrow, Legends. I think like Legends can move out. And we'll put them switching hour, Weird War. See, I want them Ghost, Deadman, Creeper, Sandman, Demon. Let's just show you this right here. We gotta put this. This is. Ooh. Let's my light it, bro. The Demon. Here. We have it. We put it in this nice little bag. We know what we gotta do with this thing. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, buddy. All right. That fucking spread, dude. That smell, dude. Just like fucking Ollie's, dude. That smell of a fucking comic book just fucking takes you back, dude. That's the Phantom of Youth, man. Bright Bath of Fire. I can't really see anything wrong with this book. So we're gonna give you